I told you a 7,999 month tool is quietly putting 1.4 crore marketing teams out of business? Not someday, not coming soon, right now, today. And most business owners have no idea it even exists. It's called Okara. 6A agent running 24 hours a day, 7 days a week while you sleep. One wake up every morning and handles your SEO, writes content non-stop, no breaks, no writer block. It's done. One manages Reddit and hacker news for you. One runs your entire X account. It's done. And one gets your brand showing up inside the ChatGPT, Perplexity and Claude. It's done. Be honest with you. This won't write your strategy. This won't build your vision. It won't close the deal when someone on the fence sees. That's all you. But if you are a small business owner who have been sitting on the sidelines saying, I just don't have a budget for my marketing, that's excuse is gone. So tell me something. If 1.4 crore came back into your business tomorrow, what is the first thing you had to do with it? Comments below. I'm not just saying that. I'm actually reading every single reply.